Hey everybody, I'm here today with a math lesson on changing improper fractions to mixed numbers. In this video, I'll be going over the basic math steps to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. And I'll be showing you 3 specific examples so that you'll hopefully understand how to do it by the end of this video. So we're going to start off with an improper fraction. Now let's say that we have an improper fraction of 11 over 3. So we have an improper fraction. It is 11 over 3. Sorry, my marker is actually starting to run out. So we have 11 over 3. And what we need to do is we need to use long division to actually convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. So what we're going to do is we're going to see how many times 3 goes into 11. How many whole times 3 goes into 11? We know that 3 goes into 11 3 whole times. And if we multiply 3 times 3, it's going to give us 9. And if we subtract 11 minus 9, it's going to give us 2. So what we have here is we have all that we need to create our mixed number. So we have an answer of a mixed number of 3 wholes. So we have 3 wholes, and then we have 2 as our numerator, and the denominator is always going to stay the same. So the denominator is going to be the original one, which is 3. So our final answer of a mixed number is 3 and 2/3. So 11 thirds is 3 and 2/3. Now what that means is that we have 3 wholes, and then we have 2/3 of a whole. So we have 2 parts remaining, okay? Now let's go over 2 more examples. Let's say we have another improper fraction, and the next one is 13 over 4. Once again, we need to use long division. We're going to see how many times 4 goes into 13. Okay, now sorry, I put this a little bit close to the top one, but I'm sure that you're following along nicely with my examples. So we know that 4 goes into 13 3 whole times. So I'm going to put a 3 up there. And 4 times 3, because we have to multiply these numbers, is going to be 12. 13 minus 12 gives us 1. Now we have all that we need to create our final answer of a mixed number and convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. So we have 3 wholes, just like that, 3 wholes, and then we have 1 as the numerator, so 1 part of a whole, and the whole would be in fourths. So we have 3 and 1/4. That's our final answer of a mixed number from an improper fraction. So this was the improper fraction, and we then converted this using long division to a mixed number. Once again, this means that we have 3 wholes and 1 part of a whole, and a whole is in quarters, in fourths. Now I'm going to do the next one over here to sort of separate it. Let's say that we have an improper fraction of 9 over 2. Okay, so once again, sorry about the marker. I should use a new marker when I do the next video. 9 over 2. So once again, we're going to use long division. We're going to see how many times 2 goes into 9. Okay, so we know that 2 goes into 9 4 whole times. And 2 times 4 gives us 8. 9 minus 8 gives us 1. We now have everything that we need to create our final answer of a mixed number. And our final answer is going to be 4 wholes. And then we have 1 as our numerator, because that's what's remaining. And our denominator is going to be the original one, which was 2. So 9 over 2 is equal to 4 and 1 over 2, or 4 and 1/2, which is basically 4 wholes and then 1/2. So if I had to just show you this, just to fully explain it, we have 4 holes, okay? So we have 4 holes, and each of these holes is divided into 2, because each of them is divided into 2. So we have 4 holes that are divided into 2. These are all completely full, okay? If you can imagine, like maybe pizzas that have been cut in half. So these are all 4 holes, and they're full of them. They're all full, okay? Now for the other one, okay, it's divided into 2, but we only have half. So as you can see, these are all completely full, just like that. 4 holes. And then the final one, we only have 1 out of the 2 parts. So you can see there's 2 parts in this final one, and we only have 1 part. We have 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then for this final one, we only have one out of the two parts, just like that. And that's basically it. In this video, I have shown you how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. I've given you three specific examples, and I've also shown you with a graphical representation about sort of what it means to have a mixed number like this. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.